Wait, what? Tie a knot? What if it comes undone? I'm going to actually show you how to tie a knot that stays strong and secure. That way you can quickly join your yarn and get back to creating. So holding both yarn ends that you want to tie together, go ahead and bring the yarn on your right underneath the yarn on your left, just like so. For the easiest knitting and crochet advice, subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. Now go ahead and pinch that connection with your left hand. Now what we're going to do is take that yarn that's underneath and go ahead and wrap it around your thumb and between those two yarn ends right there. Go ahead and pinch that in place. So here you can see that you have a loop on your thumb. Now you're going to go ahead and take that yarn that was in your left hand and you're going to put it through that loop on your thumb. So carefully go ahead and insert that through. And you can see here what that looks like. And you're going to have your two yarn tails right here at the top. Comment below and let me know what your favorite kind of knot is. So go ahead and grab those with your left hand. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the yarn that was in your right hand, the one that you made the loop with, and you're going to pull that down as tight as you can. And then as you can see here, you have your knot. Now if you try to pull this apart, I'm pulling as hard as I can. And that knot is not coming undone. That is it. Now you know how to make a weaver's knot. Want to learn how to make a magic knot? Click the link below. If you're looking for a cool new project, find my free and paid patterns on my Ravelry, and I will put a link to my designs in the description below. Take a peek at these videos on how to join a new yarn while knitting and the Russian join. Now if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends.